Have you finished high school? If your answer is yes, you're one of the lucky ones. In Romania's technological high schools, less than half of the students graduate. And 1 in 6 drop out of school even before getting there. Most of these students are part of at-risk communities and come from underprivileged backgrounds. They're trapped in an educational system that doesn't understand them and doesn't provide them with the tools and opportunities they need to succeed in life. Do you believe that's fair? We don't. Your social status and the type of education you pursue should not stop you from getting out into the world and building wonderful things.
That's why we created Eduprenoria. We want to empower young people from underprivileged backgrounds, reach their full potential, and support them in creating relevant opportunities for themselves.
By working closely with teachers, entrepreneurs, and local technical high schools, we are designing an applied entrepreneurship program for young students. Our goal is to help them start and build their own functional businesses.
Thanks to our experience in working with all kinds of young people and our passion for entrepreneurship, we think it's about time to help these technical students thrive.
We want to pass on to them our desire for making an impact and see their ideas generating value in their community.
This autumn, we start the pilot version of the project in one technical high school in Bucharest. Our objective is to generate 5 sustainable businesses over the school year and make a positive impact in the lives of around 200 people.
So, why don't you join us? And let's take a look at the future from a different perspective, the Eduprenoria perspective.